So today we're going to be taking a look at this CPU mount. It's supposed to ensure a better lock on a more even lock on the CPU when you tighten it down. And it's supposed to have better cooling and all that kind of stuff. So, okay. So this is unboxing. There was no sticker here. I did not mess with this, nothing. So it was literally like this whenever I pulled it out of the shipping envelope. So I'm very surprised that when I arrived, it wasn't just flopping around in the envelope. It wouldn't have been the end of the world, but you know, whenever you're spending $2,000 on a machine, you don't want your parts to just be all scratched up and all that kind of stuff. So it comes with the tube of thermal paste. I'm sure if you guys need to use it, use it. If not, then you know, add it to your storage. And it's a simple little mount. It's got 4 sides, and it's supposed to fit the Intel LGA 1700 series. That's really it. That's part of my build. I know that's not really fancy or anything, but if you're aware of it, awesome. If you weren't aware of it, then think about grabbing this, and have a great rest of your day.